It's pouring down in Florida, baby. We at Adventure Island. We got soap. Thank God my phone ain't get soap. Y'all had fun?
Yes, 10 out of 10 out of 10. The last one was fun.
Yeah, the last one was fun. I enjoyed that. Alright now, guys.
10 out of 10. We're doing the best.
Oh, let's put them right there.
Another napkin?
No more napkin. Boy, it's pouring down, boy. And it's light. Oh, Lord, it's pouring down. We had fun, though. I can't. Keep it on your head so I don't lose my hat. Coming from Tampa, Florida, Adventure Island. Kids had a ball today. I gotta wait till it stops raining because I don't want to get my phone wet. I'll come back again. I had a good time. This is my son's early birthday gift to him. Where's Nana? Leave stuff alone. Get over here. Don't touch nothing. You ain't got money? Then don't touch it. You can't pay for it. Everybody trying to get out there, right? Woo! It is pouring down, baby. It is pouring. One more at. Get your behind right there so I can see you, sir. Right here, I can see you. Right up here. Right there. Ooh, wee now. Y'all hear that thundering? My car way on the other side. I'm already soaking wet. I'm finna get out of here, y'all. I'm finna try to see if I can, Nah, we not finna run. I'm not finna fall and hurt myself. Try to get out this rain right now. Well, y'all make sure y'all go like, subscribe, comment to my YouTube channel, New Life, New Reaction. There's some nice looking people out here. Some, no.